Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Sagina Putri Wijaya and my student ID is 221344057 and I'm from the Telecommunication Engineering Program, Department of Electrical Engineering on Bandung State Polytechnic. Today I will present the results of my internship report with the title is Analysis of QoS, Quality of Service, and GOS, Grade of Service, of WhatsApp Blast Delivery on the OCHA platform at PT Telkom Indonesia Persero Tbk. First is the introduction, and next the background of my report. Digital communication in Indonesia continues to grow rapidly, and so the digital communication is growing and being widely used by the public and institution in Indonesia, right? And WhatsApp has become the most widely used messaging platform and become the primary channel in Indonesia with over 112 million users. And so this is encourage many government institutions in Indonesia that switching to digital communication for the efficiency. Switching from conventional communication to digital communication. And Telkom provides the OCHA or Omni Communication Assistant platform as a WhatsApp-based solution. And mass messaging delivery is not always optimal. Some end up as a failed, rejected, and submitted message. So, therefore, evaluating the QoS and GOS analysis is needed to assess the effectiveness of blasting at institution A. Next is the objectives of this report. First, can analyze QoS and GOS in OCHA WhatsApp Blast Delivery at institution A. And second is can identify factors that influence the success and failure of WhatsApp Blast Delivery. And the third can provide analysis results to improve institution A's communication strategy for utilizing OCHA services. Next is time and place of internship implementation. My internship implementation time first is the date is 23 June 2025 until 5 December 2025, and the days is Monday to Friday, and the work hour is 8 until 5. And second is the internship implementation place. The company name is PT Telkom Indonesia Persero Tbk, and my division is Telkom Regional 2, Government Service, and the address of the company is Lembong Street, number 11, Braga, Sumber Bandung, Bandung City, Jawa Barat, 40111. Next is the analysis results. OCHA, or Omni Communication Assistant, is Telkom Indonesia's omnichannel communication platform that integrates WhatsApp, message, email, and chatbots into one system. OCHA provides the following features that WhatsApp Plus, OCHA Interaction, OCHA API or Application Programming Interface, and OCHA AI or Artificial Intelligence. So the main feature used in this project is WhatsApp Blast, which enables sends thousands of messages in a structured manner and in accordance with meta policies. Institution A, which is a public service sector, can evaluate blasting performance and identify technical obstacles that affect service quality. Next is analysis of quality of service and grade of service on OCHA WhatsApp Blast. You can look at this data blasting at institution A. Institution A have a blasting quota 1,124,751, and the total blasting is 4 times in period July 8 until August 15, 2025. There are three main types of data. First is KTM blah blah as a unregistered category, and second is KBM blah blah. It's a not yet registered category, and the third is KAB slash kota as a regional category. And the that main types of data, each type is divided into three sectors. The first is sector J, the second is sector M, and the third is sector A. And then the quality of service, or QoS, is a measuring service quality based on message delivery success. The delivery success rate has a formula which is success divided with total database percent. And then the next is grade of service, GOS, which is the measure the number of requests that failed to be processed. The difference is this is using field data. Next is the table that I made, which is the analysis of quality of service and grade of service of WhatsApp Blast that has a 4 batch, which is 8 July, 9 July, 10 July, and 14 July. You can look at the table. The blasting results at institution A is the total message that sent to is 400,076,002, which is contains the delivered and with message, and the total unsuccessful message is 216,174. This is a pending quota, and the quota return after 30 days is 212,043. The pending quota is contains that uh, submitted, failed, and rejected messages. And the remaining active quota for institution A after 30 days is 5 and 2,400,000 3,090. And the average of QoS is 56%, and the most messages were delivered successfully. And the average GOS is 29.44%, and nearly one per three of messages failed to process. So the factors that affecting WhatsApp Blast results. First is data validity that contain inactive number, template not verified by Meta. And the second is blessing time, which is accepts maximum for message for num for one number. It's a Meta policy. And third is a data volume. The large batch is a subject to weight limit, and the small batch can make a stable QoS and decrease GOS. And the fourth is recipient status, which is when the recipient offline, the message not delivered, and when the read receipt disabled, the message is only delivered. Next is the impact of WhatsApp blast results. Uh, the poor message delivery effectiveness can impact the information not conveyed to the public and the impact on payment compliance when message failed. The potential revenue can decline and the inefficient cost when many message failed. It will waste the quotas and suboptimal budget spending of the institution A. Next is the closing. The conclusion of my paper report is the internship at PT Telkom Indonesia can provide an understanding of digital service operations, particularly OCHA WhatsApp Blast. And the analysis results showed an average QoS of 70.56% and GOS of 29.44% and influenced by data quality, blessing time, batch site, and meta policy. And the success of the blast is not only determined by the system, but also by the operational strategy that institution A must implement to ensure that regional revenue is appropriate and the budget is optimally absorbed. Last is the recommendations for institution A. First is the regular data cleansing. Institution A can delete inactive and frequently failing numbers to improve QoS and reduce GOS. Second is a morning blasting to avoid meta broadcast limits, which is maximum for message for one number, and increase delivery chains. Third is use small batches, which is reduce the risk of meta weight limits and maintain delivery stability. And lastly is evaluate repeatedly failed numbers, can mark and separate failed or rejected numbers to avoid wasting quota. So that concludes my internship report presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.